Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use import and use them in Odoo Online. If you need to bring a lot of information into Odoo quickly, the import feature can save you a huge amount of time. Instead of creating records one by one, you can upload a prepared file and let Odoo create them for you. This is especially useful when you're setting up a new database, migrating data from another system, or onboarding a new client. Using the import feature also reduces human errors and keeps your data consistent across Odoo. To begin, prepare your file. Odoo Online supports Excel files in .xlsx format and CSV files in .csv format. Before uploading anything, make sure your file is clean, organized, and contains the columns you actually want to import. A well-prepared file makes the whole process much smoother and helps avoid errors later. For example, if you're importing customer information, having separate columns for name, email, phone number, and address ensures Odoo can map everything correctly without creating duplicates or misplacing data. Next, open the app where you want your data to go. This could be contacts, CRM, sales, inventory, employees, or accounting. The app you choose matters because the import will create records inside that specific area of Odoo. So if you're importing customer information, for example, you would open the Contacts app. Similarly, if you're importing product lists with prices and inventory quantities, you would open the Inventory or Sales app to make sure the data lands in the correct module. Once you're in the correct app, switch to List View. Most imports in Odoo are available from the List View rather than Kanban or Form View. If you're currently seeing cards or an individual record, click the list icon to change the layout. This step is important because the import option usually appears from there. List View organizes your data in rows and columns, making it easier to match fields and visualize the records before they're imported. After that, open the Favorites menu or the Actions menu, depending on what appears on your screen, and select Import Records. This will open the import interface, where you can upload your file and review how Odoo reads your data. This interface gives you a preview of the records and allows you to make adjustments before anything is permanently added. Now, upload your file. You can either drag and drop the Excel or CSV file into the upload area, or click Upload File and select it manually from your device. Once the file is loaded, Odoo will analyze the columns and try to match them automatically with the correct fields in the system. For example, it may connect a column labeled Email to the Email field in Odoo, and Phone to the Phone field. At this stage, review the field matching carefully. Odoo may correctly connect columns like Name to Name, Email to Email, and Phone to Phone, but you should still check every mapped field before continuing. Even when the automatic match looks good, a quick review can prevent data from ending up in the wrong place. For instance, if an address column accidentally maps to a notes field, it could create confusion later in reports or communications. Then, click Test to validate the import. This step checks your file for issues before anything is actually created in Odoo. If Odoo shows errors, correct them in the file and test again. Repeat this until the validation passes successfully. Testing first ensures that your import won't create duplicates, mismatched records, or broken links in the database. Once everything looks correct, click Import. Odoo will create the records, and they'll immediately be available for use in the application. Using this process, you can import contacts and customers, vendors, products, leads and opportunities, employees, price lists, inventory quantities, and even accounting data depending on your permissions. This makes Odoo a powerful tool for quickly setting up new workflows, syncing data from other systems, or updating large datasets without manual entry.